What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to install Optifine for 1.16.4. If you guys are new to the channel and this video does help you out, please subscribe. It really does help out the channel. And other than that, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is go to your web browser and go to optifine.net/downloads like so. Link will be in the description if you're having issues getting there. Go ahead and click enter and you'll be greeted with a page similar to this. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is go ahead and go to preview versions under the version that you want to use. And if your version that you want to use is not here, go ahead and click show all versions and you can scroll down and find the one you need. And go ahead and click download. Once you do click download, you'll be greeted with a page like this. What you're going to want to do is not click anything that shows up here and just go ahead and click skip on the top right. Don't click anything here, click skip. Once you do that, you'll be greeted with a page like this, and all you got to do is click download. And once you do that, it'll start downloading automatically for you. And it may say something like this, where this type of file can harm your computer. Don't worry about it. That's what they do whenever you download a jar file. It's just to make sure you know what you're downloading. Everything's all good. Go ahead and click keep and let it finish download, and then I'll be back once it's done. So make sure you know where you saved that file, because that Optifine file will be used in a little bit. The next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is go ahead and launch up Minecraft like so. And go ahead and make sure that you launch the version that you want to install Optifine in. So in my example, I need it for 1.16.4. So I'm going to make sure I've at least played it once, which I have. But if you haven't already, this is the time to do so. Go ahead and pause the video, launch up the game once for whatever version you want to install, and then come back once you've done that. So once you've launched the game at least once, go ahead and find wherever you saved your Optifine file and go ahead and double click it. It should have a Java symbol like this. And if it doesn't, all you got to do is right click it, click open with, and click Java platform SC binary. Not WinRAR, not 7-zip, not any of those things. You want to make sure it says Java platform SC binary like so. Go ahead and click that, and it'll load up with a page similar to this. All I got to do from here is go ahead and click install, and once it's done installing, it'll give you a message like so, which says Optifine is successfully installed, and then it will go to the final step. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do next is go ahead and reopen your Minecraft launcher. If it's already opened, close it out and reopen it. Once you do that, you'll be greeted with your similar Minecraft launcher page, and you're going to want to go down to the lower left-hand corner. Once you do that, all you got to do is left-click this area right here and click Optifine 1.16.4 or whatever version you're trying to install, and it should show up there right away because it's the latest installation. All you got to do next is go ahead and click play, and I'll show you guys that in just a second. So before I show you guys how to check if you have Optifine installed properly, if you guys can do me a huge favor and make sure to subscribe if this video has helped you out in any shape or form, it really does mean a lot to me. And other than that, let me show you guys how to check if Optifine's installed. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is go ahead and go to options and video settings. If you look in the lower left-hand corner and it says Optifine HD blah 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 blah, then that means you've installed it correctly. If it doesn't say that here, then you obviously haven't installed this correctly, and you should go back and redo the steps and make sure you have done it correctly.